Can internal company records prove workplace retaliation? Imagine you've just spoken up about unfair treatment at work or reported something illegal. Suddenly, your boss starts treating you differently. Could your own files help prove what's happening? Yes, internal company records can be very important in showing workplace retaliation. These records are like a paper trail that can tell the real story. They help prove three main things: that you did something protected by law, that you faced a negative action from your employer, and that the two are connected. For example, emails, memos, and performance reviews can show when you reported discrimination or safety issues. If these documents show you engaged in protected activity, and then your boss demotes you or gives you a bad review afterward, it can suggest retaliation. A timeline created from these records can make the sequence clear. Records that show inconsistent treatment are also helpful. If your employer suddenly disciplines you without prior warnings or documentation, but treats other employees more favorably, it can point to unfair motives. If disciplinary notices are issued without proper cause or if policies aren't followed, these details can support your claim. Performance reviews stored in company files can be useful too. If your reviews suddenly turn negative after you report a problem, especially if earlier reviews were good, that change can be a sign of retaliation. These records can challenge employer claims that adverse actions are based on performance issues. Investigation reports, witness statements, and supervisor notes stored by the company can also back up your case. If colleagues or supervisors provide statements that show hostility or unfair treatment after your protected activity, these can be powerful pieces of evidence. Company records often include the employer's reasons for taking adverse actions. Comparing these reasons with the documented facts can reveal if the employer is making excuses. If the reasons change over time or don't match the evidence, it can show pretext, meaning the real reason was retaliation. For anyone claiming retaliation, it's smart to keep copies of all relevant emails, memos, and notes. Making a detailed timeline of events and gathering witness statements can strengthen your case. These records form the foundation to challenge employer defenses and prove retaliation. In short, internal company records are key tools in showing what really happened. They help connect protected activities with negative actions, reveal inconsistencies, and support claims that retaliation took place. Having these documents ready can make a big difference in workplace retaliation cases.